Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all. So when I bring you these deals, I bring it to you on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went to Dollar General like I always do. You know I bring it to you all on Wednesdays. But went in there, had a deal in mind, but they didn't have baskets. It was raining here where I live at, so mainly all the baskets was out in the parking lot, so they was wet. I went about to go out there and get one. And plus, it had gotten dark. So here, you know, it gets dark early. About 5:30, almost 5:30, it starts to get really dark. And where I go to the Family Dollar, they don't really have lighting out there. Because it's mainly like manufacturers that is out there. Companies, you know. So, they don't have that much of lighting out there, which I don't know why they don't, but hey, it is what it is. So I had to actually try to pick up things that I was wanting and then try to look at things that I was going to try to do on Saturday, okay? I'm thinking about, I don't know if I'm going to do a 5 off of 25 Saturday, but I see. I'm going to play it by ear. If I do one, it will be late, okay? It'll be late if I bring you the 5 off of 25. It probably won't be early in the morning because I have something to do and I have to go and come back and pick up my husband. So it's best for us I just do it like on my way when we're going out to, do what we need to do tomorrow, not tomorrow, Lord, Saturday. So I just want to let you all know that I might bring it to y'all in the morning on Saturday and I might not. It might be Saturday afternoon, okay? So on this deal, I just picked up some things that I had seen and memorized. I did open up my app and just put this a little bit together. All right, so let me go ahead and tell you what I got. All right, so on this one, you should have got this today. On this St. Joseph aspirin, the 36 count, it is $2 and there's a $1 off digital coupon. Okay, this is digital and paper. Okay, so on the next thing is the Love and Beauty and Planet. There is a digital coupon, which is $2 off of 10. That is actually glitching. So I used it. It only scans on the shampoo. It doesn't scan on the conditioner, okay? So this is the only scent that they had. So I got these two. Got the, what is this one? Coconut water and mimosa flower. So I got both of those. And they are $5 each. There is a $2 off of 10 that is attaching. Also, there is a $5 off of 2 manufacturer coupon that I used on here. So it made it really low, okay, in the price. The next thing are these all. All is $5 each, and they are the 19 count, okay? There is a $4. They are, well, let me see. Hold on. I think they're $5. Yes, $5 each. And there is a $4 off digital coupon. I'm thinking it was a $4 off. Okay, the all is supposed to be 2 for $8. But I'm thinking on this one, it only rung up $5 each on these, the odor lifters, stain lifters. And see, y'all, I really didn't look at my receipt until just now, because I was thinking that they had rung up right, because, you know, like I told you, I didn't have the basket, and then I had to carry everything, and, you know, I had my purse and everything. So it looks like these rung up for $5 each. And then there was a $2 off store discount, and then a $3 off all digital coupon that came off. I'll show y'all when I'm getting ready to, because I knew something was wrong, because when my subtotal came up, I was like, I'm a little bit, something don't seem right. But I didn't look at my my receipt until now. But I was just like, you know what? It's raining, it's cold, there was no baskets. I had to carry everything in my hand. I couldn't get that much. So I was already kind of frustrated anyway. But, you know, it is what it is. So, these only rung up $5 each, like I said. There was a $3 off digital, and then a $2 off store discount that came off, okay? So then the last thing was this Chic. The Chic Classic razors. These are the men's, and you can either get the men or the women if you got the coupon. There is a, they are $4.50. There is a $3 off digital that did attach, and it came off. So, y'all, after everything, for my subtotal was $10.50. Yes, $10.50. So let me show you my receipt. See, there's the Almighty Packs 4-in-1. So I'm thinking I must have got the wrong one, but I don't know. And then there's the digital coupon. There's the Chic Classic. There's the digital. Then there's the St. Joseph aspirin, which we just got that coupon today. And it works on the $2 one, which is a 36 count. And then there is the Love, Beauty, and Planet shampoo. Only get the shampoo, don't get the conditioner. Then my subtotal was $10.50. My total savings was $16. And I got a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. All right, y'all. So this right here is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, make sure you put it on all when you hit that notification bell. And thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.